Welcome to science class. And today in science class, we'll start the chapter Rocks and Minerals. In this chapter, we will learn more about rocks, minerals, their formation and use. Today we will learn about rocks. Most of the things we use daily are made of different types of rocks. The different types of rocks can be identified by their color and texture. For example, we use chalk, that is one type of rock. The slate, that is also a rock. In ornaments, we use different stones. On the floor, we use granite, marble. So, we use different types of rocks in our daily lives. So, rocks are mixture of minerals which are naturally occurring chemical substances. Minerals like iron, magnesium, calcium, which are present on the rocks. So, these are naturally occurring chemical substances. On the basis of formation, rocks are classified igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. So, these are the main types of rock that naturally occur on the surface of the earth. Types of rocks. Igneous rocks. So, igneous rocks are formed by solidification of hot molten material present deep inside the earth, that is called magma. In chapter Natural Disaster, you learn about magma and lava. So, magma is the hot molten material present deep inside the earth that you know. So, when volcano erupt, this molten rock flows out from inside to the surface of the earth, and when solidified by the action of wind and temperature, it forms rocks, and that is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when lava cools and hardens. Some igneous rocks are formed by quick cooling of lava, some formed by slow cooling of lava. Some igneous rocks are formed below the earth's surface and some form on or above the earth's surface. Now the color and texture of igneous rock depends on how does it form. You can see in this picture different types of igneous rocks with different colors and different textures. Examples of igneous rocks like granite, pumice, basalt, obsidian. So, igneous rocks are called intrusive when the rocks crystallize below the earth's surface by slow cooling of lava. Example, diorite, granite. And extrusive igneous rocks erupting onto the surface when they cool quickly to form rock. Some cool so quickly that they form glass-like structure, like example obsidian. And these rocks, which are formed by quick cooling of lava, are basalt, obsidian, pumice, andesite, etc. Today we will discuss about granite that formed by slow cooling of lava, and basalt, obsidian, pumice which formed by quick cooling of lava. Granite, it is the most common rock that form on the earth's surface. It is formed by slow cooling of lava. Different colors of granites are available and it contains a mineral named quartz. You can see in this picture different colors of granite which are available on the surface of the earth. These are mainly used for making buildings, paving, monuments, statues, and polished granite slabs are used for countertops in kitchens, tile floors, staircases, and many other design elements. Pumice, it is a type of volcanic rock which produce when lava with a very high content of water and gases is escaped out from volcano. So the gases present in magma lava when comes out quickly, gas bubbles form. So with the gas bubbles when leave the rock, it leaves full of holes. So pumice rock is a volcanic rock having many holes. For the presence of the holes, it is also light in weight. When this lava cools and hardens, this result a very light rock material filled with tiny bubbles of gas, which makes it very rough. It is used for making polishing scrub. Pumice powder is used for polishing tooth by dentist. It is also used in soaps, for polishing heels. So it is one of the light rock. Basalt, it is the most common rock on the earth's surface, and we have seen it ample use in construction area. This is also formed by quick cooling of lava, and it appears as a black, green, brown or grey color. It is formed by quick cooling of lava. It is used for making building, for construction purpose, for making road, for making ultra thin fiber. Next, obsidian. Obsidian is an igneous rock that forms when molten rock material cools so rapidly that atoms are unable to arrange themselves into a crystalline structure. It is a glossy and shiny, and for this rapid cooling, it appears glossy and glassy and shiny, and for this it is known as volcanic glass. And the name volcanic came here because by the volcanic eruption of magma it cools down, so it is known as volcanic glass. And it is very sharp edged. For this sharp edged, in ancient days it was used for making cutting tools, also used as a surgical blades, but nowadays it is used for making ornaments, beautiful decoration, decorative pot, utensils, etc. So these are the different types of igneous rock that we have learned: granite, pumice, basalt and obsidian. And you know, a major part of the earth crust is made up of igneous rocks. And not only that, the ocean bed is also made up of igneous rock, and the most of the ocean bed, a large area, we found basalt that formed by volcanic eruption under the ocean bed. And when the volcanic lava from volcanoes comes out and cool down, it forms igneous rocks like basalt. That is why in ocean bed large area is covered with basalt. Next day we learn about another different types of rock, that is sedimentary rocks. It uses and its type. So thank you student for watching this video. Next day we will learn more about sea rocks.